Strange facts about gravity that will knock your socks off. Welcome to the world of the unseen yet ever-present force, gravity. It's a force that seems so familiar, yet it's full of surprising secrets. Today, we're diving into some strange facts about gravity you want to know. Gravity is a natural phenomenon we're all aware of. It's the force that keeps us grounded, literally. But did you know? It's not the same everywhere on Earth. Yep, you're lighter at the equator because of the centrifugal force caused by Earth's rotation. Speaking of Earth's rotation, gravity isn't just responsible for keeping us from floating away. It also plays a crucial role in Earth's shape. It pulls everything towards the center, giving our planet its spherical form. Now, let's talk about weightlessness. We've all seen astronauts floating around in space. This is not because there is no gravity in space, but due to the constant state of freefall that creates the feeling of zero gravity. Jumping to the mysterious dark side of gravity, let's venture into the enigmatic black holes. These are regions in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape its grasp. This is why they're black. No light equals no visibility. Here's something even stranger. Gravity can bend light. This is known as gravitational lensing. When light passes near a massive object, the gravity of this object distorts the path of light, making it bend. Gravity doesn't just manipulate light, it also has a peculiar relationship with time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time moves slower in stronger gravitational fields. So technically, you age slower on a mountain compared to at sea level. Moving on to the moon, it's common knowledge that gravity there is weaker than on Earth. But did you know that if you were to drop a feather and a hammer, they'd hit the lunar surface at the same time? That's gravity in action. Let's take a quantum leap now. Scientists are still puzzled over how gravity works at the quantum level. While quantum mechanics can explain three fundamental forces, gravity is the odd one out, leading to the quest for a theory of quantum gravity. Before we wrap up, here's a fun fact. If you could drill a hole straight through Earth and jump in, it would take you about 42 minutes to get to the other side. Thanks to gravity, you'd be accelerating all the way to the center, and then decelerating until you reach the opposite surface. So, there you have it, folks. Gravity, a force so ubiquitous, yet so full of surprises. It's this mysteriously invisible force that holds the universe together and yet continues to puzzle the brightest minds. So, the next time you feel grounded, remember, there's more to gravity than meets the eye.
If you like our content, subscribe to our channel for more crazy facts and give us a thumbs up. Best wishes, and I hope to meet you at the next video.